Hello everyone, I'm Sophie. This is probably going to be my first ever YouTube video. So weird, but I'm going to be unboxing the G7X Mark II. So excited. So let's start with, I got an SD card. Yes, just one of these. And then this is the camera. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's unbox her. Oh my god. Got some cute little manuals here. Then we got, this will go into the charger, I'm assuming. I see the camera. Okay. So we have the little plug. We'll put the we'll put the battery into here. So these two will go together and it'll charge the battery. Then we have the little strap to go on the camera. I'll definitely put this on so I do not drop it because I heard that it can break easy. Definitely be needing to put that on. Then we got the battery. A cute little Canon battery. How cute is it? Okay. And the best part, the camera. Then this little box. Okay. Are we ready? Oh my god. I'm not ready. Oh my god. I've been wanting this camera for years. Oh my god, I'm so excited. You're joking. Oh my god. You are joking me. Oh my god. This is legit. This is legit, Mills. Oh my god. Oh my god, how cool is this? Okay, let's charge it and we'll be back. Okay, let's pop the battery in the camera now. Now the battery is not fully charged, but I put it on for a couple minutes. So let's hope it just turns on. You're joking. Okay, it's asking for me to set time and dates. So I'll be back when I've done that. Also, apologize if I keep looking away from the camera. I've never done this before and I keep looking at myself. I'm sorry. Okay, so I've just charged the battery, put the SD card in, and I've set the date as well on it. So let's turn it on. Oh my god. Now let's turn her on. I wonder what the difference of sound is. And yes, I did change. I put a top on because it's a little chilly willy. Oh my god. As you can see, I'm recording on a phone on a tripod. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I'm going to do a comparison of the phone and then the camera. Oh my god, guys, I can't wait to edit this video and see the difference between my iPhone 13 Pro Max and my G7X Mark II. That is so crazy. I've been wanting this camera for so long, and I mean years. Also, comment down below if you're excited for Christmas. It is September. Not long now. I'm so excited. And we can do like Vlogmas. Oh my god. I've been wanting to do Vlogmas for so long. I can't wait to take you guys on my next holiday. I've got a holiday booked in like Feb, I think. We're gonna go see Pink live. And I'm so excited. Okay. I have just changed the mode to like the little camera thing because it was on auto before. Let's see what the difference was because clearly I'm not sure what I'm doing with this camera yet. You know, we've got to learn from mistakes. I wonder if this is better. I think the focus is better. It's staying focused on me like a lot more. Yeah. Hello guys, I totally forgot to film the outro to this unboxing for the G7X Mark II. So now I'm just going to film the outro. So comment down guys if you guys are thinking about getting this camera or if you're like this unboxing, because I'd love to know. And give me a thumbs up and subscribe, as I've just started my channel and I haven't got very many subscribers, so I'd really appreciate that if you guys could. Also comment down below if you guys love this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.